What's going on today, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because we're doing something I probably really should have done a long time ago, and that's we're going to replace some lights in the old STI over there. So, driving around at night, you turn a light on, you can't see a single thing for like 12 bucks with a whole kit. It just makes sense. So, let's go ahead. It should be easy enough. Let's go ahead and start popping some of these lights out so we can see at night. So right here, we'll throw a clip up of what they actually look like at night. And to be fair, it's not impressive. Not impressive at all. So, gone ahead, got LED upgrades for them. So hopefully these will be a lot brighter. There's a lot more LEDs for the bulb than just a little halogen bulb. So let's go ahead, replace these now. Not a hyper expensive kit. It's a cheap little Amazon kit, not gonna lie. And it comes with 3 separate bulbs. I think we're gonna be using all these top ones. I honestly don't know. So this is what the kit comes with, along with a panel removal tool, along with one of these guys. So let's go ahead, and it looks like we'll start with these ones first. So we've got our main ones that are right here. Nothing super exciting. And then the cab back here, and that one might have one burnt out. So we'll start with these ones because these ones look a little easier to get at. Looks like you just pull them down right there. We'll grab our panel tool. Now that guy's popped out, we can see our bulbs in there. It's just popped off. 2 in the front, pry down on it and it will open up. Now we'll go ahead and take these guys out. Push forward, pull down, comes out. Old one. And then we've got our new one. So push it forward, the front is a little springy. And then you put the back in and it's directional. So I could face this kind of however I want. If it's too bright, we can put it up to make it actually go against the top, but let's have it facing down and probably this way because this is the driver's side. So there's the 4 bulbs. See the difference in the 2. So now let's go ahead and replace this one too. So we have learned something with these. If I turn this light on, there's nothing in there, but I'll touch 2 of them. It works one way, but if we spin it around, it does not work the other way. So very important to put it in the right way. And now we've got both our lights that work. So now I've got both of them working. I got them pointed kind of where I want. Let's go ahead and replace our cover. The bigger end goes to the back. Looks like I have something in here. Perfect time to clean it. Big part goes to the back. We'll put the back in first. It rotates in. Make sure the tabs make it inside. And we'll push it in. So there we go. Now we've got those 2 in. Let's go ahead and do the other one. So now this one isn't quite as apparent on how it's going to come out. So I think they have to separate. The black piece has to stay. The clear piece has to be pretty easy to come out. So let's just give this a little bit of a pry. Oh, there we go. So the rounded side wanted to come out first and then it rotates to the other one. Good to know. This one is again a singular bulb. Oh, I guess we could do the before. There's before. That's the right way. And after. And we'll go ahead, put this in. The bigger side faces forward. We'll put that in first. Prop the other 2 on. There we go. Easy as that. Now it's not necessarily as bright as I was kind of hoping, but it's also daytime, so we'll check back in at night and see how they actually look at night. Well, I gotta say, it's probably not gonna pick up on camera too well, but it does light up the inside pretty good, and that's just the one dome light. And if I actually turn on, oh, I can actually see in here now. That's not bad. Those lights are pretty worth it. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. You enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna enjoy mine. If you like what we're doing here, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends. And just enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace. Ooh, looks like we got a dud there.